Stop watering your plant just because you feel guilty. That is probably why it is dying. Most indoor plants do not die because you forgot about them once. They die because we panic water them, move them around too much, or give them the wrong light and then hope for the best. Today I'm going to show you 5 simple plant care rules that will help keep your plants alive, green, and actually growing. 5 simple rules for thriving houseplants. Quick, clear, beginner-friendly. And before we start, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple home tips, DIY ideas, and beginner-friendly guides that make life easier. Rule number 1. Check the soil before you water. Do not water on a random schedule. Do the finger test. Push your finger about 2 to 3 centimeters into the soil. If it feels dry, your plant may need water. If it still feels damp, leave it alone. Because here's the truth. Overwatering is one of the fastest ways to kill a plant. Reminder: overwatering is the quickest plant killer. Avoid soggy soil. Your plant does not want wet feet all day. Too much water can lead to yellow leaves, soft stems, and root rot. So instead of asking, "When did I last water this?" ask, "Is the soil actually dry?" Rule number 2. Give it the right light. Light is plant food. If your plant is sitting in a dark corner looking sad, it is not being dramatic. It is starving. Most indoor plants like bright, indirect light. That means close to a window, but not baking in harsh direct sun all day. If the leaves are burning, crispy, or turning brown, it may be getting too much direct sun. If the plant is stretching, leaning, or looking thin and weak, it probably needs more light. Light recap. Choose bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh midday sun. Rule number 3. Use a pot with drainage. This one is huge. If your pot has no drainage hole, extra water has nowhere to go. That means your plant's roots can sit in water. And that is basically a swimming pool of doom. Use a pot with drainage holes, and if you love a pretty decorative pot, place the plant inside it in a nursery pot. After watering, let the extra water drain out before putting it back. Warning: no drainage traps water. Roots suffocate and rot. Rule number 4. Clean the leaves. Dusty leaves cannot absorb light properly. So if your plant looks dull, wipe the leaves gently with a damp cloth. This helps the plant look better and function better. Also check under the leaves while you clean. That is where pests like to hide. Tiny bugs, sticky residue, webbing, or little spots. Do not ignore that. Catch pests early before they turn your plant into an all-you-can-eat buffet. Rule number 5. Stop fussing too much. I know you love your plant, but sometimes too much love is the problem. Do not move it every second day. Do not water it because you feel sorry for it. Do not repot it every time one leaf turns yellow. Plants need consistency. Give it good light, check the soil, water properly, and then let it grow. Consistency grows confidence. Place it, water wisely, then wait. Resist constant tweaks. Let the plant adapt and push new growth. So here is your plant survival formula. Check the soil, give it light, use drainage, clean the leaves, leave it alone long enough to grow. And remember, one yellow leaf does not mean your plant is dying. Plants naturally drop old leaves. But if the whole plant is yellow, droopy, mushy, crispy, or attracting bugs, that is when you need to investigate. Troubleshooting. Check light levels, do the finger test, confirm drainage, inspect leaves for pests, then adjust one variable at a time. So stop guessing and start checking. Your plant does not need perfection. It needs the right amount of water, the right amount of light, and a little bit of patience. If this helped you, like this video, subscribe for more easy home tips, and comment plant if you want a simple beginner plant care checklist.